In this video, we're going to show you how you can view your subscriptions on YouTube using a mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really does help out the channel. It can be really interesting to see who's subscribed to your channel, and YouTube even lets you apply filters to narrow it down. To begin, go ahead and exit out of the YouTube app and open up a web browser. I'm going to use Safari for this, but Chrome or any other browser will work. In the address bar, you're going to want to go ahead and type in studio.youtube.com and then tap go in the bottom right corner. If prompted to, go ahead and sign into your account and then hit continue to studio. If it opens up the YouTube Studio app, just go back to this page and then you'll be prompted with that option. Now to switch channels, you need to go up to your profile icon in the top right corner. And yes, I know it is a little hard to see, but you just need to hit switch account just like so and select whatever channel you want. But once you're in the right channel, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is in this channel dashboard, scroll down until you see the recent subscribers option, just like so. You can push to zoom in if you need to, but essentially go ahead and just hit see all, and you'll be able to see all of your subscribers. You can also, in the top right, select a time range and apply different filters to customize your view. But that's how you can see who's subscribed to your channel on YouTube Mobile. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.